Hello students, greetings for the day. So today is day 5, date 22 Jan, and I am here to discuss, to explain connectors. So let's understand what are connectors. Connectors are the words which are used to join two sentences or related ideas together. Yes, point to be noted. Two sentences or related ideas together. Yes, the words which are used to join two sentences or related ideas together are known as connectors. There are so many connectors, but in your syllabus there are 3 connectors of cause, 3 connectors of effect. It means there are 2 types of connectors. Number 1 is cause or reason. Number 2 is effect or result. Let's understand what is cause or reason. So it means why something happens. Why something happens. What is the reason behind happening something? And what is result? Result is known as what is the outcome of that particular cause or reason. Suppose I say my father did not go to his office. My father did not go to his office because he was ill. He was ill. So what is cause here? Why and what? So why? Because he was ill. What? He did not go to his office. So because he did not go to his, he was ill. This is cause or reason, and he did not go to his office. That was effect of that particular cause or reason. Now let's understand through one more example, and let us explain some more about cause or reason. What are the connectors that are used for showing cause or reason, and what are the connectors used for showing effect or result? So there are 3 types of cause or reason in your syllabus. Number 1 is since. Number 2, because, and number 3 is as. If we talk about effect or result, the connectors to show effect or result, that are 3. Number 1, so. Number 2, show that. And number 3, therefore. So there are 3 connectors for showing cause or reason. Number 1, since. Number 2, because. Number 3, as. And connectors for showing effect or result are so that, therefore. So that, and therefore. Let's understand through one example. I could not join the class as I was ill. So here just focus on the connector, which is the word that is joining two sentences here or two related ideas together. Number 1 is I could not join the class as I was ill. So here you are saying that as is connecting two ideas. I could not join the class, one sentence. Next sentence is I was ill. So as is connecting these two sentences together. That's why this is connector, and this connector belongs to cause because it is telling the reason why something happened, why I could not join the class. Next, if we talk about effect or result. Second sentence is I had fever, therefore I could not I could not play football. Okay, so now we have to focus on the word which is joining two sentences together. So here the word is therefore. It is connecting I had fever to I could not play football. So now we have to focus on this. I could not join this class as I was ill. So what was the reason? The reason was I was ill. And what was the outcome of that reason? That was I could not join the class. Next, if we talk about therefore, so here therefore is telling I had fever. This is the cause. What is the effect? I could not play football. So I hope you have understood it. Whenever we use connector for showing cause, that is known as the connectors of cause or reason. If we use the connector to show effect or result, that is the connector of effect or result. So these are two types of connectors. One is showing cause or reason, one is showing effect or results. So thank you so much for watching this video.